Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir. Rabbi wa tammim bil khair. Allahumma ja'alil Qur'ana rabi'a qulubina wa nura sudurina. Allahumma ameen. We are going to start our first session today for this week. So we were on the derived nouns. They were the simple concept, but they were the nouns which are derived. So we have almost 7 or 8 derived nouns like ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul that we do normally we does with the table when we do any table complete with verb. So madi, mudare, amar nahi, and then ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul. So these are basically two derived noun. We know most of the time we already do, so we don't discuss, but they are derived noun. Ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul. Then ismul tafdil, ismul mubalagha, ismul sifa, ismul zarf, and ismul ala. Normally, this is just a concept. We just should know that they are there. They are not. Whenever they come, we just discuss that this is sifa, this is ismu tafdil, ismu mubalagha, and then ismu sometime ismu zarf and ismu ala. They also come, and we just have to say yes, they are also derived noun, and they are ismu zarf and ismu. Mostly in the file maf'ul, mubalagha, deal, and sifa. And deal has little bit. There is important trick is that whenever first it has a pattern, and then it can we can make it superlative from that if we put al only with ismu tafdil. If we put al, that al does not mean the, it will make it superlative. And also if ismu tabdil is used as mudaf in mudaf ilayh, when ismu tabdil will be used as mudaf, we will translate it uh, as superlative. That is the important thing. And then most of the time we see the ismu sifa that has the just fixed pattern. We know that we use them. Sometimes sifa is also can be used as file or maful. Then there are two others, ismu zarf and ismu ala. We will see it today. So first of all, we should know that they are derived nouns. And derived nouns we have this. So let me ask somebody that have to repeat. They should be in our fingertips. Burak, Burak, you there? How we come that? Zainab.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Zainab. Derived noun. Can you please just tell me the derived noun? How many are there?
I don't know. Sorry.
Just tell me some of derived noun, whatever you know that.
Jameel, Kabir.
Just name the derived noun first. We are not going to particular that example. Just first name them.
I don't know. Sorry.
Yeah. So this is a problem in online. We don't know that who is focused, who is there with us, or just open, and we are just talking with the walls. So let me ask someone here. Umar Ahmed.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Can you please say some derived nouns? How many derived nouns are there? Can you please name them?
File, maful,
Yeah.
ismul, ismul
Can you please
file,
say
ismul
ismul
maful,
file? Yeah. Yeah.
ismul file, ismul maful, ismul mubalagha,
Yeah.
ismul tafdil.
Yeah. This is what we have already. And last week we did one. Uh, we did derived noun. What is that name? Like Rahim. What type of derived noun it is? Rahim.
Ismul tafdil.
Zil, you already said that. like color, body defects, and like Rahim on weight of fa'il. Last week we did it. Okay, let me go to Tanjeen. Tanjeen?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Yeah, Tanjeen, can you please say some derived nouns?
Some derived nouns. Well, I could. Kabir means big.
No,
Akbar.
not example, just name them. Like
Derived noun.
let me tell you one derived noun, that is ismu tafdil. Do you know any
Ismu
other
tafdil.
derived noun?
Do I know any derived noun from Ismu Tafdil?
Yeah, this is one of them. There are other derived nouns.
Is that right?
Brother Riza.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Yes, derived noun is going, it can be isfa'il, ismaf'ul, ismu sifa, ismu tafdil, ismu zarf, and ismu makan.
Yeah, that ismu zarf is also basically ismu makan. Both are coming under ismu zarf. Okay, and okay. I would go back to Tanjeen.
Yeah.
Tanjeen said what Brother Riza said.
Ismu Tafdil.
Yeah, this is one.
Ismu Mubalagha.
Okay, two.
Ismu Sifa.
Yes, three.
And then
Can you please tell me fa'ala? What is ismul fa'il for fa'ala?
Fa'il.
Fa'ilun.
Fa'ilun.
So, ismul fa'il is also basically derived noun. Ismul maf'ul, that is also derived noun. Ismul sifa, derived noun.
And that's like Ismu Sifa.
Sorry?
And that's all. And that's all from Ismu Sifa.
Can you please revise derived nouns? Give me a
Right.
list of derived nouns.
Like, right. Ismu Tafdil.
Yes.
Ismu Balagha. Ismu Sifa. Ismu Zarf. Ismu
Two, very easy. We are just skipping those two, are very easy. First two.
yeah.
Everybody, please look at this list, please. We just need your focus, nothing else. Just, okay. Just look at, everybody should look at the list. They are there. Ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul. Tanjeen, just mute your mic.
Okay.
Ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul, ismul mubalagha, ismul tabdil, ismul sifa, ismul zarf, and ismul ala. These are just derived nouns. And then we have started that ismul mubalagha is basically describe the great intensity. What is ismul fa'il? We know that. Maf'ul, we know. Mubalagha, it gives the intensity of the noun. It describes the great intensity, extreme quality of noun. We should know some example, not all. Ghaffar, most commonly used. Sattarun, Jabbarun, Kazzabun, Saddiqun, Sabbuhun, Ghafurun, Rahman, Ghadban, Farhan, all these are Ismu Mubalagha. Just spare 30 seconds, look at the example. Whenever we say Ismul Mubalagha, some examples should come on our tongue. Please, just look at Ismul Mubalagha, everybody. It needs just 30 seconds. No, any other, we don't need any knowledge for this. Just Allam, Wahhab, Kazzab, Sabbuhun, Quddusun. These just describe the great intensity. So 30-second finish. This is Ismul Tabdil. The second is Ismul Tabdil. Ismul Fa'il, Maf'ul, we already know that. We should not skip that. They are also derived noun. We know that every time whenever we do the word practice, we see the fa'il plural, maf'ul plural. Okay, Ismut Tafdil. First of all, its pattern, we should know that. Very easy pattern is like ajmal, akbar, asghar, asghar.
Why we can't hear you?
Just bigger. The second is something happened. Khalid sir, was anything happen or it was from my side only?
It was, I think, from your side only.
Okay, totally it got disconnected.
We couldn't hear you.
Okay, now everybody can hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so ismu tabdil. Ajmal, ajmalu, akbaru, asgharu. These are ismu tabdil. Now, when we ismu tabdil are doing, just we have to stop here a little bit. This is the important. There are two very important concepts. Ajmalu, more beautiful. When we put al before that, it make it superlative, most beautiful. Akbaru, bigger, al akbar, biggest, asgharu, smaller, al asgharu, smallest. And the second concept is that whenever it is used as ismu tabdil, it will be also, we will translate as ismu like superlative. Also, whenever after ismu tabdil there is a min, and min does not mean from. It's then min will be used for comparative. Akbaru min, bigger than. Asgharu min, smaller than. Ajmalu din, ajmalu min, more beautiful than. So also sharrun and khairun, they also can be used as ismu tabdil whenever we use them, and also we translate as superlative. Okay, so these are ismu tabdil concept. Remaining other concepts are very easy. So if you want to make the ismu tabdil for this kabura, akbaru, gharuba, aghrabu, azuma, azamu, hasuna, ahsanu, sharufa, ashrafu, kathura. What is ismu tabdil? Arham, kathura.
Kathura is it was in abundance.
No, what is ismu tabdil for kathura?
Ismu tabdil for kathura would be
What is the, okay, tell me about kabura.
okay. Kabura originally means
I
bigger.
don't need the meaning really, Arham. I just need the ismu tabdil for kabura.
Okay. More bigger.
I asked you Arabic. Don't play tricks with me.
Akbaru.
Akbaru, gharuba,
أغرب.
azuma,
أعظم.
jamula,
أجمل.
hasuna,
أحسن.
sharufa,
أشرف.
kathura,
أكثر.
aktharu. Okay, so more. What about your name? Your name is also ismut
تبديل أرحم.
tabdil of what? What is ismul fa'il for that?
راحم.
Rahimun. And ismut tabdil for rahimun?
أرحم.
Arhamu. Meaning,
the more merciful.
if I say most merciful, then
الأرحم.
al-arham. And what is ismul sifa for rahimun?
رحيم.
Rahim. Thank you. You are there. So next, then we discussed about ismu sifa. Mostly it is on the weight of fa'il. It can be used sometime as fa'il and maf'ul. Color and body defects are also ismu sifa. How we will remember Hamid, Rahimun, Rahim, Alimun, Alim. There are some examples. Whenever they come, they are sifa. Sometimes we can translate them as fa'il and maf'ul according to requirement. And all color, like ahmar, asfar, ahdar, they are also sifa. These are basically describing the quality of the color or the quality of some noun or something, some object. Similarly, body defect of someone, that is also its characteristics. That is ismu sifa. Like summun, bukmun, umyun, they are also ismu sifa. Then we have more one. One is ismu zarf. The derived noun describe the time of the action. And ismu, when we say ismu zarf, as Brother Radha said, so it's basically derived noun describe the time of action and place of action. The action time and place of action, and they will be two. We can say zarf is zaman when it is describe the time, what time it is doing that, and the place of action zarf makan, like the place and time of prostration, that is masjid. Mashriq, mashriq is also a place and the time of sunrise, and their patterns are maf'alun, maf'ilun, maf'alatun. If you look at that, maf'alun, matla'un, mash'arun, maskanun, maskan, maktab, maktab mean library, maf'alun, masjidun, masjidun, that is also a place, majlis, majlis is also sitting area, a manzil, house, matli'un, marji'un, and also on the maf'alatun, like madrasatun, maktabatun, store, bookstore, maqbaratun, maqbara. So these are basically, it shows the time of action and place of action. Like here we have ism maf'ul of fail sulati is also ism zarf, like mudkhalun, place of entrance, mukhrajun, maqamun, musalla, place of praying, munzalun, or it can be on weight of maf'alatun. So thus ismu zarf will be derived noun as time of action and place of action. Zarf is zaman and makan. Zaman means from zamana, time, and makan means place. Mashriq, maghrib, maskan, maktab. Maktab means the bookstore, or maktab is also maskan, masjid, majlis, maqbara, madrasatun, school. So these are ismu zarf. And similarly, mashrib, place of drinking water, place of drinking. And there is another one, ismul ala. This derived noun describes the tool and instrument with which the action is carried out. Like singular ismul ala start with meme, unlike ismul zarf. Like fathun, okay, it is to open, but miftahun or miftahun, a tool to open. Miftahun mean key. Similarly, it can be on the pattern of mif'alun, the tool and instrument. Mif'alun, mizanun, miqdarun, mif'alun, minzaratun, miqma'atun. So these are basically, we should know that again, derived noun, ismul fa'il, maf'ul, ismul mubalagha in more intensity, tafdil, comparison, also superlative concept come from there. If used as mudaf, it will be superlative. Akbaru, ajmalu, sifa on the weight of fa'il. Ismu zarf means time and place. Isme makan and isme zama. Isme ala mean instrument, the tool, miftah. So these are things. So just we have to go to the breakout room so that we can just review all these things, and then we will come